In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a guest attendee from a Google Calendar event. Whether you've added someone by mistake or just need to update your invite list, removing a guest from an event is a straightforward process. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open Google Calendar on your device. This can easily be done through your preferred web browser by navigating to Google Calendar's homepage. Once you're there, locate the event from which you would like to remove a guest. You can either scroll through your monthly view or use the search function at the top to quickly find the event. Once you found the event, simply click on it to open the details. You'll notice a pop-up window with all the vital information about the event. To make any changes, you'll need to click on the pencil icon, which signifies edit. This is important because while you can view details directly, editing them requires this additional step. After entering the edit mode, focus your attention on the right-hand side of the event details where you'll see the guest list. This is where all the individuals invited to your event will be displayed. Now, to remove someone, hover over the name of the guest you want to remove. You'll see a small X appear next to their name. Click on this X to remove the guest from the event. It's a subtle action, but very effective. Once you click the X, the guest name will disappear from the list, indicating they have been successfully removed. Now that you've modified the guest list, don't forget to click on the Save button to ensure that all changes are applied. This button is typically located at the top of the edit screen. Saving is crucial because if not done, the changes will not take effect and the guest will remain on the invite list. After you click Save, Google Calendar will offer you the option to send an update to the remaining guests. This update acts as a notification for them to keep track of any changes. You have two options here. Choose Send if you want to notify the guests of this adjustment, or Don't Send if you prefer to update silently without notifying anyone. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to manage your Google Calendar events by removing an attendee. This process ensures that your event lists are always up to date and accurately reflect the intended participants. Keep these steps in mind for any future adjustments you might need to make.